Okay, we're going to do one more, and this one is in root form. Okay, it's going to give you your x-intercepts, your roots for this quadratic. So again, be careful. You have to flip these signs. So our x-intercepts are -5, 0, and -7, 0. So again, with each one of these forms, some of the things are really easy, and I start off with those first, and I use those to help me find everything else. So what doesn't come very easily here is the vertex. So let's see. So we've got this equation right here, or this graph right here, and we know this is -7. We know this is -5. Well, what comes in the middle of -7 and -5? Well, this line right here is going to be x equals -6. How do we know? It's the average of these two. Okay, so our axis of symmetry is x equals -6, which means if we want to find our vertex, we need to plug in this value to get our y. Okay, so our vertex is going to be -6 something. So let's plug this in. So -6 plus 5 times -6 plus 7. So it looks like this is going to be -1 times 1. So, okay. So again, all we did, we plugged this in to here to see what we get. Okay, so we've got our x-intercepts, we've got our axis of symmetry, we've got our vertex. Only thing that's left to find is our y-intercept. To find our y-intercept, we just set x equal to 0, and we just get 5 times 7. So our y-intercept is 0, 35, which makes sense. Okay, it's way up here. So each one of these, we're going to find stuff in a different way, but that's how we're finding these is through these different methods for finding vertex, axis of symmetry. Again, y-intercept, x-intercept is basically the same every time. X-intercept, we're setting y equal to 0. Y-intercept, we're setting x equal to 0. But now we know how to graph all three forms.